Hello and welcome. This is the beginning of a series that I call Archicad Tip of the Day. This is something I intend to do every day till further notice, maybe for the next 1 year, maybe more. In this series, I'm just going to be dropping one quick tip about the use of Archicad, and that's it. I still intend to do my long videos. I hope you guys still watch them as well. If you're new to the channel, this is Frank. The name of the channel is Archicad with Frank, and what I do here is teach Archicad and once in a while related software. That's it. Let's quickly dive into today's one. The tip of the day is supposed to take at most 2 minutes long. In today's video, we are going to be dealing with graphic overrides. I'm not going to go into them too deeply. All I'm just going to do is show you that you could vary them. So some people have asked me how my plans appear like this, and that's because of this structural plan you see over here. I could click on this and change it to simplified, and I have something like this, a completely different graphic representation. I could do this and get it to look like this, and there's other alternatives. As to how you can create your own, let me quickly dive into that. This series is not going to be too detailed. If you see this as something you want to learn from, then request for a full video and I will try to do that as well. That said, I'm going to click on this, or I could go into documents, graphic overrides, and the graphic override combinations right here. Then the particular one I want to edit is the structural plan. Alright, so the current appearance, as you can see, have the walls gray, and that's because every structural element that is undefined has this gray stuff here, and I can click on this to define the rules. So the criteria for Archicad here is elements that are 3D types. In other words, any elements that is not a 3D type, like the text, you see that the text is not gray, and then the structural function is undefined. What Archicad is required to do for that is Archicad is required to change the align types to black. I could change this to red and we'll see what that comes out like real quick. Alright, so okay here, and you can see red lines all over the place. I could, by the way, there's that same settings I went through document over here. I could just click on this button right here and access them. So I'm going back here. Alright, so switch this back to black and then fill background pen as this gray. Let's try this pinkish purple right here and say okay, and you see that's happened instantly. So you could play around with different one of these rules and get the best results for the kind of presentation you want for your plan. Well, that's it for today. I don't want this thing to take too long, just something you could watch for 2 to 5 minutes a day to improve your Archicad skills. If you want full videos on this, request for it and they'll be delivered sometime soon. That's it. Bye.